Hi everyone, this is Karthika, Faculty of Physics working in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about the ecological pyramids in ecosystem. So first we should know about the ecological pyramids. So it is a graphical representation of structure and function of trophic levels of an ecosystem, starting with producers at the bottom and successive trophic levels forming the apex is known as ecological pyramid. So in food chain, starting from the producer to the consumers, there is a regular decrease in the biomass or and number of organisms. Since energy is lost as a heat in each trophic levels, it becomes progressively smaller near the top. So this is the ecological pyramids. So the type of ecological pyramids are, that is, pyramids of numbers, pyramids of energy, and pyramid of biomass. So what is the pyramid of numbers? A pyramid of numbers can be used to show the number of organisms of each stage of the food chain. So for example, 1,000 plates of grass can be eaten by 30 rabbits, and that 30 rabbits can be eaten by one fox. So this is the pyramids of number. So it represents the number of individual organisms present in each levels. Example, grassland ecosystem. The producers in the grasslands are grasses which are in the size and large in number. So the producers occupy lower level, trophic level, that is the first trophic level. The primary consumers are rats and the secondary trophic level, since the number of rats are lower compared to the grasses and the size is small. The secondary consumers are carnivores or snakes, which occupy the third trophic level, since the number of snakes are lower when compared to the rats. The tertiary consumers, that is the carnivores, example is eagle, which the next trophic level. The number and size of the last level is still smaller. So this is like a upright pyramids. So it is a level from 1 to 5. So this picture represents the pyramid of numbers. So next one is pyramids of biomass. So that is the mass of tissue of living organism. The pyramid of biomass is the graphical representation of biomass present in a unit area of various trophic levels. It shows the relationship between biomass and trophic levels, qualifying the biomass available in the each trophic level. So this is picture represents the pyramid of biomass, that is upright and inverted. So it can be from the lower level to higher or higher level to the lower. So that is called upright or inverted. So the pyramids of biomass, it represents the total amount of biomass present in each trophic levels. For example, a forest ecosystem. So the above picture shows there is a decrease in the biomass from the lower trophic level to the higher trophic level. This because the trees are maximum in the forest, which contribute a huge biomass. The next trophic levels are herbivores and carnivores, and top of the trophic level contains few territory consumers, lion and tiger. So the biomass is very low here. So the pyramid of energy. So this pyramid indicates not only the amount of energy flow at each level, but more importantly the actual role the various organisms plays in the transfer of energy. So an energy pyramid illustrates how much energy is needed as it flows upwards to support the next trophic level. So always there is a huge loss of energy. So in this session we have discussed about the pyramid of ecology, that is classified into pyramids of number, pyramids of energy, and then pyramids of biomass. And here we have seen that how the numbers of the available producer, decomposers, consumers are vary according to the food chains and all. So this is about the ecological pyramid. Thank you.